How to monitor screen time usage on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on digital well-being and parental controls. Then at the top here, tap on the first box to go into the dashboard. In here, you will be able to view your screen time usage for today. And if you tap on apps, it will switch over to category. So you've got different categories down here. It shows you the apps and how much time you spend on the app. And down here are the notifications, how much notifications you get for today, and how many times you unlock your device. And when we tap on the categories up here, it will switch to apps. So in here, we can view by category, other, by social category, social and productivity and finance. So if you tap on that, it will give you notifications. And here it said 2 notifications coming from the productivity and finance category. 0 app has been opened. And here, if you want to view bi-weekly, you can tap on the weekly to view it bi-weekly. And you can also view it by daily. And if we go back here, in here we got notifications, so we can tap on that to view notifications. Social, so you can on each of the categories you can tap on it to have a drill down information of the category. And that's it. So in here you can monitor your screen time usage. On the weekly chart here, you can tap on the day, on a different day to view your screen time usage based on different days. And if we go back up here, you can view your screen time usage by the week by tapping on this graph icon. So tap on that, you will be able to view your weekly report. And here you can see it shows the report by the week. And then if we scroll down, you got games, and here games, you can view which games you have spent your time on the most. And here we've got Fortnite, 2 hours and 47 minutes. And then you got peak time usage, when you use your screen the most, and most used apps. So you can here we've got a clock, the gallery in here for the app, for the specific app. You can view, you can see how which part of the days or which day you use the most. So here on Sunday, I have spent 1 hour and 15 minutes. On Tuesday, 37 minutes. On Friday, nothing. So we can view by the day or by the week. So if you select daily, then you can choose, you can see what time during the day you use the most. So it's very informative, and the data can be break down to the day or to the hour. And if we go back, you can do that for other apps as well. So that is how you can view your screen time usage on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series by tapping on this box here, or you can tap on the chat icon to view your weekly report. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.